Today we are going to see construction of rhombus BEND. Rhombus is a special quadrilateral. We are using the property that diagonals bisect each other. It is a so we should draw perpendicular bisector. So first let's draw the rough diagram. In the rough diagram, it's simply two diagonals. We are going to join the sides. So let the diagram be B E N D. Hopefully I am clear. B E N D. Now we know that BN is equal to 5.6 centimeters. DE is equal to 6.5 centimeters. DE is the one diagonal and BN is other diagonal. So let's start constructing the quadrilateral. Draw a line, mark a point. Let this be our point D. DE from the rough diagram is 6.5 centimeters. Now BN is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of DE. So take a convenient radius and placing it at point D, mark arcs above and below. Similarly, place at point E and cut this arc. We are simply drawing a perpendicular bisector to the line DE. Now join the points. We get a perpendicular bisector of DE. Since it's a perpendicular bisector, it divides this point is O. It divides DE into equal halves. Similarly, BN also will be equally divided by O. Now BN is, we know, 5.6. So BO will be 5.6 by 2, that is nothing but 2.8. So take a measurement of 2.8, place it at O, place your compass at O and cut an arc on BN. These are the points B and N. Now join them. Join B E N N D and DB. So this is the required quadrilateral BEND. It's a rhombus. It's a rhombus. So even though we need 5 measurements to draw a quadrilateral, even though we are given only 2 measurements, that is measurements of 2 diagonals, we can still construct a quadrilateral rhombus because rhombus has a property that diagonals bisect each other. That is, one diagonal will cut the other diagonal into 2 equal halves. So when we draw a perpendicular bisector for one diagonal, automatically we know that this diagonal is divided into 2 equal halves. So the other 2 points lie on this perpendicular bisector and O is the midpoint of that diagonal. So taking half of that diagonal and mark from point O by marking arc, we get the other 2 points. This way we can draw the rhombus BEND, this special quadrilateral, by simply knowing two of its diagonals. Just by knowing two of its diagonals.